Okay, so today we see a decent bullish reaction, right? I mean, it is not great, it is not amazing, but it is a decent one. Clearly trying to reject yesterday's bearish reaction, which in the end may be just another harmless pullback in a clear uptrend. So let's see what's going on over here. But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, retail trader. Very nice to see you guys over here. And yes, we are still bullish, all right? As long as we stay above our most important support levels, meaning as long as we stay above this purple trend line, as long as we stay above the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, as long as we stay above the $500 support area, the bullish bias will just persist. What's more, we are still doing higher highs, higher lows. As long as we see this pattern of higher highs, higher lows, there is no way a bearish reversal chart structure will materialize, all right? We are still in a crystal clear bull trend. Now, of course, what could possibly make us reverse this bull trend? Again, only if we lose our most important support levels, only if we start making lower highs, lower lows. In this scenario, we will probably see a sharper correction on the weekly chart, maybe to the 479, maybe to the 21 EMA on the weekly chart, or maybe even to the 474 area near the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. This entire area, right? It is a very important support level on the weekly chart, long-term speaking, all right? So yes, this yellow area would act as a target for us if we see SPY actually reversing its mid-term bullish sentiment seen on the daily chart. This scenario would favor short positions, and we should start looking for short positions if this scenario actually materializes. But so far so good. The trend is still bullish. Now, QQQ is also extremely bullish. We are above the 21 EMA. We are still inside this ascending wedge, right? Because it is technically speaking a wedge, not an ascending channel, because these lines are not parallel to each other, as you can see over here, all right? So, okay, we are inside an ascending wedge. We are still above the 21 EMA. Right now, we are trying to close above the 439, which was the previous resistance level over here, which was supposed to act as a support level for us. Right now, okay, we are trying to reject this bearish scenario. Only if we lose these support levels, only if we trigger this ascending wedge downwards, we are gonna see a sharper bearish correction ahead. So far, the situation is still under control. And how this affects our dear stocks over here? Well, Apple is still dropping, it is still correcting. We don't see any bottom signal right here, right now. But if we do see a bottom signal around the 167, I believe that would be an amazing buying opportunity, especially because Apple looks oversold. This reaction seems to be an overreaction to me. What's more, we just triggered this head and shoulders chart pattern. Right now, we are about to reach its next technical target, which is the size of the head, is the distance of the head to the neckline projected in the direction of the breakout. We are approaching the 165 area over here, all right? Slightly below the 167, which is a technical support level, but still, this entire area is supposed to act as a support level for Apple. Any bullish reaction over here must be considered as a possible buying opportunity. What's more, Apple looks oversold when we analyze the RSI. For the first time in many months, years, in fact, right? Since not, guys, this is interesting because I was not aware of this. I just saw this right here, right now with you. Not even during the 2020 crash, we saw the RSI at such low level. The RSI right now is what? 20, around the 20s. Not even during the pandemic we saw the RSI at such low level. So it is extremely oversold when we analyze the RSI. The last time we saw such low RSI was in 2018. So yes, this is a quite rare signal for Apple. I do believe that if we see any bottom signal around here, we could see Apple flying, recovering very quickly, very sharply to its next resistance levels. But what's the problem? Well, so far there is no meaningful bullish reaction. There is no meaningful bottom signal. Today's candlestick is bearish. We are losing yesterday's low, so yes, there is nothing for us over here. Microsoft is also on the verge of triggering its own head and shoulders chart pattern, right? But it is trying to react already. It is making a nice shadow below the candlestick's body, which is a good thing, but it is not materializing any meaningful bullish reaction at the moment. But it is interesting it is good to see Microsoft stabilizing above a support level. Maybe it is going to trigger a bottom signal for us. Google, well, Google is a mess. It is dropping today, making a bearish candlestick pattern. On the bright side, it is not rejecting yesterday's bullish reaction yet, and this could be a good thing for Google. Amazon is also correcting. Amazon could correct a little bit more, just like Apple, right? It is still a little bit above its support level at the 21 EMA, so we could see a sharper correction over here. Now, Tesla is already around its support level, the 175, and it seems that the support level is actually working for us. It is trying to leave a shadow below the candlestick's body. Of course, it is too soon to tell because the day is not over yet, but it is making a decent reaction. Now, could this be a bottom signal for Tesla? Well, just like on Apple, it could, but we don't see any confirmation. But just like it could be a bottom signal for Tesla yesterday, just like we could saw a bottom signal on Tesla on March 1st over here, right, above the 21 EMA, while the bias was still bullish. That was a perfect bottom signal. However, what's the problem? These bottom signals weren't triggered yet. So always remember, my dear friends, real traders always wait for confirmation. This is the main difference between a trader and someone who's just gambling in this market. Gamblers, they just buy and sell without a crystal clear strategy, without waiting for confirmation. They don't know where their stop loss should be, they don't know where their target should be, so they are extremely lost most of the time. And this is why we are among the top 5% of traders that can consistently profit and beat the market at the same time. So join our Telegram channel, join the 5% project right here, right now. The QR code is on the left corner of your screen because you'll see many amazing trading opportunities over there. Dozens, all right? Dozens. And so far, we nailed many incredible trades together. There are stocks that are going up more than 10% in a few weeks, since last week, to be more specific. So just join us over there in order for you to capture the most impressive opportunities that are outside of everybody else's radars over here. So come on, join the 5% project. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen and on the fixed comment below. All right, now Nvidia is the best stock ever. I love Nvidia. It is about to hit our target, our technical target, $900. I mean, it is not a technical target, it is more like a psychological target because guys, the market has a thing for round numbers, all right? And the $900 seems to be a quite realistic target for Nvidia right now, and we are almost there. Do we see any top signal right here? No, there is not even the slightest top signal right now. Nathan, what if we see a top signal? Then I believe Nvidia will trigger a pullback to the 21 EMA on the daily chart, and this is it. Is this going to ruin the bullish bias over here? No. Probably it will be just another buying opportunity because this is how you proceed when the trend is bullish, all right? You buy when you see a pullback. You buy when the price is near a support level because the risk-reward ratio looks attractive. These are the pillars of our trading approach over here. This is how we deal in this market. This is how we navigate in this market. So yes, any pullback should not scare anyone over here. Us in this channel should not be scared by pullbacks. We just see them as buying opportunities as long as the trend remains bullish, as long as we see the confirmation of a bottom signal. Of course, Meta is exploding, it is breaking the previous resistance level, which is acting as a support level for us right now. This is very good, but in the end, to me, it still could drop back inside this flag chart pattern to retest the 21 EMA before going up again. Now, AMD, which is one of your favorite stocks, is just going up. To me, AMD is going to retest. It is going to hit its technical target, which is the size of the pole projected in the direction of the breakout of this bullish flag chart pattern, which is around $250–$60 over here. We are heading there, and I do believe we are gonna hit this key point in the near future. The big question is if we are gonna retest, if we are gonna reach this target with or without a pullback first. All right, so this is our main question. So far, there is not a single bearish signal suggesting a pullback for us, while Palantir is going up 10% today. 10%. It is triggering the bullish flag we described yesterday upwards, making a very nice bullish candlestick pattern so far. Let's hope it is gonna close this way by the end of the day. All right, so by doing so, by materializing such breakout, well, then what's Palantir's next technical target? Again, the size of the pole projected in the direction of the breakout, meaning $40 roughly. Wow, that's a quite impressive target actually. I do, yes, Palantir is looking very, very good right now. It could almost double over here. So yes, we see a bullish flag chart pattern, and I do believe Palantir is materializing a bullish continuation chart structure over here. The trend is clearly bullish. We just triggered a bullish pivot point. So yes, Palantir is bullish. Any pullback must be considered as another buying opportunity, and this is it. All right, are you still watching this video and you are not a subscriber? Consider subscribing, because we are here every single day talking about many stocks, talking about trading strategies. I'm sharing my ideas and my thoughts here on this channel, so you are invited to join our community. You are more than welcome, and remember to join the 5% project right now in order to get access to many impressive trading opportunities out there. The QR code is right here in the left corner of your screen. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.